So on Saturday, August 4th from 9 to 1, Wells Fargo and NAACP are sponsoring a Financial Education and Homeownership Summit at Hallie Q Brown Center in St. Paul. 2 workshops will be available for the attendees to learn more about credit, budgeting, and savings, as well as home ownership. And participants can choose to go to either one or both part of the segments. There will be plenty of resources that the community can expect to find at the summit on August 4th. Several nonprofit and public agencies such as Habitat for Humanity and Minnesota Housing will be there to share the services and programs that they have available. Registration is not required, but it is preferred, so we'll be able to make sure that we have enough lunch to cover. Someone can register for this event by texting EVENT, E-V-E-N-T, to 612-655-4021, and an Eventbrite link will be sent to you to register. Yes, it is a free event completely. Registration is not a must, but we would like you to register just so we are able to make sure that we know how much food to order. Text EVENT to 612-655-4021, and the Eventbrite link will be actually just texted to you. And it's very simple, just to click and you register your name. And like I mentioned, it's completely free, so that's who will be able to contact you with that information. Well, I really hope that you all will be able to make it. I think it'll be very beneficial for our community. It'll be very fun. It'll be very knowledge-worthy, and I'm going to be teaching the financial education portion, so I really would like to connect with everyone and answer